work for a manufacturer of energy efficient and sustainable design, heating, cooling, ventilation products. By building products that are more efficient, as part of the design, making products more efficient, using materials that are sustainable, think of new production methods, think of new materials. Instead of using steel, copper as raw materials, use waste products, the cradle-to-cradle philosophy, where we actually use the waste of other products and make out of that waste some new energy efficient products. Well, again, we should rethink everything that we know today, and we should find new production materials. We should find ways to reduce the consumption of raw materials. We need to look at new technologies and be open for input from all fields. Engineers have to be open to get input from the designers, work together and find that sustainable balance between engineering, design, making concepts something really better products for the future. JAGA is a manufacturer for the energy efficient heating, cooling, ventilation applications. The values that JAGA treasures is respect nature, try to do everything we can to reduce our global footprint. Awake the artist, invite everybody to become an artist, because creativity offers so much more satisfaction than just mass consumption. It's becoming a big, important issue for all of us. Create emotion, we want to invite people to participate. We want to build up new business models where we invite the consumer to become a prosumer, where he actually takes part in the production process itself and finds a way to put values of himself into new products. Then there is the value of dream a future. We should stop wasting our time by looking back in the past and do everything over and over again as we're used to, but burn the past and start over again with new technologies that are available and that can help us to reduce our global impact. And then our final value is building bridges, because we think that people can do several things, they're great at several things, but they can never be the best at everything. So we think that we should be open and share our knowledge and work together. This is the only way to build better new products for the future. The core business of JAGA is making low mass, low water temperature heating equipment. So low mass means we use less raw materials to produce those heating devices. On the other side, that also makes the products lighter, and is important as we talk about indoor climate. By having a light mass product, it enables us to react quickly. So we need a quick response, because we want to be able to use free energy. If we have a house, we have a glass facade. If solar energy hits our living room, our product should be light enough to stop immediately and allow us to use that energy from that solar gain. So an example. It also allows us to work with low water temperatures, and that is crucial if we want to work with new technologies. Heat pumps, solar energy, condensing boilers, they all use they produce low water temperatures. Then they're the most efficient. So we need to use water temperatures that come as close as possible to the room temperature and still provide comfortable heating into our room. Well, the experience is where we invite people to participate, and we want to make people aware of our values. And we do not do this only by talking about products. We actually created a community, a culture, where everybody is welcome to share their knowledge, to work with us. We link our name, our brand, not only to fairs, like design fair, of course, JAGA is part of, but we go to shows that have nothing to do with JAGA, but they respect the values of JAGA. We went to Burning Man event, for example, where we had 50 people from our company living in the desert, and in the desert they built a community of 50,000 people. There is no money. Everything you bring with you, you have to take back, so we have to recycle everything. Living there with 50 people in extreme cold, extreme hot, severe winds, you get very close to nature and you learn to respect nature. Building something together that no one can imagine, just an idea There's not even a drawing, there's just an idea to work together and build something as big as what we did there. And then at the end of the event, we have to burn this. And burning reflects two things. On one side, it reflects that we have to learn to let go. And we work hard together, we build something amazing, but if we cannot let that go, we're not open for new innovation anymore. So we should dare to burn the past and start over again with fresh, new ideas. The second idea behind the burn is to visualize the fire. And there was a huge amount of energy that goes up in the air, and actually that amount of energy was just the same amount of energy than one truck produces or uses every year. But we want to visualize this. We want to visualize the fires that are around us because people are not aware about the energy that they're wasting every day. Well, I hope that a part of the people here picked up these values and will use these values for the next building or city or whatever they might design to make it as eco-friendly as possible. There are so many technologies that are available that people are a bit scared to use because it's all new. And we want to dream the future, think forward, forget the past, and hopefully those people will rethink their designs and make the buildings, the projects more energy efficient.